Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to unhide Facebook post. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in open Facebook application, then get logged in into your account. At the homepage of Facebook, you need to tap on three horizontal lines on top right of the screen. Here you scroll to the very end. There you can see the option of settings and privacy. Here you need to tap on settings. Scroll to the down. Inside your information you can see the option of activity log. You tap on it. Here you scroll to the very end. There you tap on view activity history. Here you tap on filters just below of the archive. There you can see two options, categories and date. You tap on categories. Under category, you need to tap on the very last option, that is logged action and other activity. Inside it, you tap on hidden from profile. As you can see, there is one post that has been hidden from my profile. Now to unhide this post, you need to tap on three dotted line beside of this. There you need to tap on add to profile. And with that, the post that has been hidden will be shown in the profile and everyone will be able to see the post in your timeline. This is how you can unhide the post on Facebook. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to unhide Facebook post. Thank you.